All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, no Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Oh, right now, everybody don't come outside. They jubilate. In fact, this one a great jubilation. Very, very soon, my brother, my sister, we go day free. In fact, we go day free from the hands of today's Fulani. I know a lot of people will ask, say, how it happen? Waiting happen again? Okay, like this, everybody don't actually come outside. They talk, say, we don't want a one Nigeria, Yoruba nation, laugh. All right, and then this is a very good one. Yes, the people actually know what they want, and then that's exactly why this set of people are coming out to say, in fact, no going back, no shini. Okay, well, on to this one. We are so surprised when this news came in that there was this news I read about where these so-called Fulani people engaged these our innocent citizens of the country. At the end of the day, then thief seven people. I talked that news some days ago. We then thief 7 people. Out of these seven people, 2 people, one of the people will be say these Fulani people release. The 2 people will be say they release. One of them say in give them 100,000 naira and maybe 100,000, 3,000 according to wetin the man talk. And the man say they leave am based on say he speak Hausa language. I know say many people don't hear that news before. We talk about how the man they release the man with one other Igbo man too, will be truck driver too. That one say drop some money for the Fulani, and the rest of the people then carry them go. We be say they can they tell them say okay, make the rest of the people say then go bring 30 million naira according to the news. Then this one happened for Ishagamu, Benin Expressway. Okay, I know say many people go still remember. We be say we can they call the name of the governor of Ogun State, make him come outside, make him come do the needful. Well, my brother, my sister, the good news now where they be say, say that time where we say the people say then call the Ogun State police, then say say then no go fit enter inside bush, say except then go use hunter, all those olode, you understand? Say them no go fit enter inside bush where people come they cause them. So okay, so una just be police for nothing, and I no fit do anything. Maybe you see the thing where we they face for this country exactly. Wetin we come they talk say make we go our separate ways. But now, my brother, my sister, now good news. Now in come they enter now. We be say everybody come they jubilate. Say hey, finally, wetin can happen? It's all this Fulani people. We be say then kidnap our people. We then thief those people that time. They don't come catch them. And also say na good news. Then catch them. And at the end of the day, they say then see about 7.9 million naira from these people. Even then see collect some foreign Indian money, meaning they go feed on even thief some Indian people. My brother, my sister, nobody they save. Now only God. Now he go help us. Now everybody come they talk and say, the earlier the better for us. So make we come out for this country. Yeah, so I know say many people they out there will say that on their own they go they say nothing concern them. After all, before it go happen, they don't fly come off for the country. Each time we be say they hear some people they talk that thing, I go they laugh because this set of people they don't know say even if they no catch them, go if you make them go catch some of their own family member. You can imagine we be say it go fit come cost gbege for them. But the thing be say make everybody wake up. We don't talk this 10 times to that number. We don't reach 100 years. They don't tell us inside the treaty say after we don't complete 100 years since 1914 to 2014, which make it 100 years. In fact, 10 years don't even still enter on top. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Well, with the news we be say they reach also everybody now come they jubilate say if the government then go fit to release all these Nigerian police and the soldiers, we be say then go fit back them up, make them do the needful. At least everybody no go they complain. But with the way the whole thing can they go, now only be the good Lord now in go help us. Now according to this news, they say after them catch this some of these Fulani people, I know say some of them still escape, but they say them buy about 2 of them for inside that bush. Some people come they ask say definitely we know say no be all those police people now then do those work. Yes, so we know say now all those our hunters now then go do that work to catch all these Fulani people. Well, my brother, my sister, anyway is always a way. Either na full either na hunter, either na police. But the truth of the matter, we say our Yoruba warriors now them catch them. And then now people come outside say make the government try their possible best, make them give all our Yoruba security personnel, make them give them better weapon, sophisticated one wey be say they go fit take the attack it all these Fulani people, because these people now they know the joke with the way we be say then they enter into the country right now. Many people don't talk, say then they pass through the Republic of Niger. Now there they pass enter. Now our own concern now be say make our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu make him do something about that thing. Some people say be like say the president don't go even sign some deal with these people. Well, our own be say either they sign deal or they no sign deal. Make these people no cross come Yoruba land because this thing will be say it dey happen, so it no be at all. How we go there for country wey be say we no go fit sleep with our two eyes closed? We be say we get people wey be say they don't saddle with that responsibility to take care of us. This one make sense at all. Yes, so the people don't come outside say like this oh, say na Yoruba nation, na him they want Yoruba nation lafe. We don't want one Nigeria or even the new Nigeria. Now then they talk about restructuring, say make everybody calm down, things go better. Lie, our eye don't open. We are no longer going back to our vomit. Exactly waiting all the people then they talk about. Say at it be so. Say self-determination no be sin, no. And as they go so. We don't talk and say we don't want these Fulani people for our land again, because these people they no get joy, they no get good tidings for the Yoruba people. We don't talk this thing, and the people don't talk and say make all the Afenifere people say make them carry their load, make them forget anything about the Yoruba land, because they no get the Yoruba people interest for their hearts. Now only the thing wey be say them go chop na him then they find. So now all the Yoruba youth don't come outside. I know say everybody don't hear that news. All the Yoruba youth come outside, come talk, say we no want all these Afenifere people, because them no they speak for us. Okay, and then now as the whole thing now come be, Baba God now your hand with this Yoruba nation, no going back. Now everybody can they talk about now. Well, my brother, my sister, this one are good news. Sake of say all these Fulani people, the government, their high don't clear. All the Nigerian police will be say before if you go report to them, then go still release these people. But now all of them don't come outside because they don't know the person where be say this thing it go affect the next time. That is why all of them don't come outside say lie, we must face it squarely. Either the government like them or not. All the people now they don't make up their mind, say then go fight this fight. All right, now so it can't be until this one, my brother, my sister, until I come on our way next time. Until this one, I say on a bye for now.